Okay, so here's my condenser. The steam comes up and goes up into the tube surrounded by a water jacket. But at the top, the condenser is open here. I need to let a little bit of an opening for the steam to come off, but I don't want to have it a complete opening because all the oil that's in the steam will go out and I won't get any oil. So this is a little adapter here. It's a stopcock adapter. So this stopcock, if I loosen this here, this part allows me to open and close the stopcock. And the stopcock has a little hole in it. This is ground glass, and it fits into a ground glass tubing. So I can go like this, and you can see now if I put that in there like that, the hole is closed. If I turn it, now the hole is open. If I leave it open, all the oil will come out. If I leave it closed, the pressure in the steam will blow this out of the condenser. So my problem is I have to open up this hole, the small hole, just enough to let a little bit of a pressure come off without letting all my oil go. So now it's closed, and I'm just going to put a little suction on this, and nothing comes out. But I'm going to turn the stopcock now till I just hear that thing. And that means that that little hole, it's just a little tiny opening. That's all you need. I put this gear back on the edge, put it in the top of the condenser, and it regulates how much steam can come out of the top. If I just do that until I just draw the first little bit of air that comes through, then that allows enough pressure to come off of the condenser, but doesn't allow a lot of oil to escape through the top. So this is a regulator of the pressure that's coming out of the boiling flask. It's really a great thing. It's just a stopcock adapter, but you don't want to get the one that has plastic in it. You want to get one with a ground glass because you can just open that little opening very precisely, and then that keeps all the oil in the condenser but allows the pressure to be released.